after match day 18 Ghana Premier League. Time Ghana Premier League first round no everybody you know. Yeba Eric Anoche ho. Ene de be din komo bebre na ene o se nka me de buo bi ba. But still na yem pon league you know. Ne buo no ekura me. Samra no so se be de be ma na be de be ma no but sa ankoba sa nso a ebo no yem fa ma no. But say the ade na ye ne de. Na time na nke ka 3 games and yebe close first one. Na Kotoko were in a better position than now, meboa.
Sure.
But unfortunately, after ye end the first round near bomb match day 18, as I can hold situation now West Kotoko that fourth. And now say Yasaba senior most Eric Anoche. Yes, formerly Bosch FM, formerly Sunsum FM, and then Cement TV. Hey, watching you. Kumasi FM, Kingdom. Yes, and a recent, currently, so, I know the another still now. Currently, precise. It's then you know, no Okabuma, and the worth of experience. The crack Eric Anoche. Now, Eric, you're more Kwama.
Yeah, that's.
Yes, out for
yes.
Born on Abu Boni at it for you. And then how and about Kotoko someone so I in say or a very great opinions about Kotoko. And you also have the facts in terms of Myanmar, the way Myanmar sequel. So far Ghana Premier League now say Bebora Kotoko and Sensibilumine BB and I don't know your general impression after the first round.
Yeah, after the first round, before I abandoned once I made me the kind of HM had been found. Now your leg in is follow your leg for some time. Almost a meeting can say momentum here build it from the first one.
Yeah.
Especially see BB first round and now. Some momentum win a bet say in the second round, which we are idea and was what the league and I say we go relegation and as we can league. It me who say for now me media in the first round me can say me tipo that time na ye duana mediama.
Yeah,
Duana me can say duana na mediama di mu baako. Me who so omo na betumi ade league and for now be a Mediama Sporting Club a grade do. Any the kind of performance, any consistency or show. On say I have consistency. So social media for born or bona. Ya na nye resource no. Entumi maso mbenya consistent resource. But we show play na consistent. Omo partners sa. Even games omo lose you could clearly see some game omo bona no na omo. And no check club Sebiu make us we need your way. Club the team no organized.
Yeah, organized.
Yes. Omo organizers so show omo game na omo was certain part na omo bo. So omo lose na nothing changes. Omo go to a party.
Yeah.
Enti eventually aba say dey be games bi on ma omo nya results na omo pe nkoyi but omo team ne dey ensesa. Ene kire team on a good day. So cast will so mu no wa hyewa obehyew. Enti for now it has been good. In the first round, second round, they are back. But maybe when say other clubs, no, almost my consistent performance.
Yes.
Yebeka Kotoko had to folk. Results na e bananya consistent. Kotoko benya be I think 2 or 3 wins in a bounce.
Yeah.
And I say omo call All Blacks omo call Lucy and omo san atenefi award draw. And club opeso ojele Kotoko situation no crowd, you ever on the bet me the way ni be.
Yeah, first time.
Almost situation they all the compare with the Madia na make na. Kotoko dia no. Omo game no, omo games ne sesa.
Adechi no bo we.
Enti on say it's not say and sad to say be in terms of personnel, but team ne performance, game plan. Omo match bi obehwe bia no say Kotoko game am share. Sa na na eto aso aye. E ba no sa and share supporters nim cry. Again, you don't threaten your opponent.
Yeah.
And to say, when it be a never say basket only stars akobo. Now results ne PM na say the total performance na nkasa anse da nkoyi u koshi adua na say heart folk na say goal stars a. Eno kra no motivate no. Ya hwe Kotoko against All Blacks because a game a what na fiashe 6 Etia Bechem United. Ntina ka wo All Blacks at least obi expect say sa game no kra huhu no e kwa akoto All Blacks for no so but it was a game akoto just say omo nya ne ye kura
nothing to show
omo nya ne ye kura
as if they
were struggling yes odwene mo na wonte asa kotoko team we na share 6 no enti eba na saa wo mankofo nsem omo kasa bi a o game we de ase be chemfo na an yire omo ho ana ase be chem na enya ade wo ma saa nkofo no saa argument no e confirm saa argument no because team a wache 6 one consider go kobo etia All Blacks na afei e koba se ball no kra no control no pass no kra no koye problem ma team no dia e kire say enyema bi ento ye wo say kotoko as an entity and hwe so be enyema ni we ye nkoyi single person coach on the side also play management wo mo de the playing body e wo mo so de also play but ye kan nyina no say team no omo pattern any omo setup on the field no say enkoyi a dodo na aya na gina technical team mimi hu ni say na make omo setup any omo play no technical team no should ensure consistency because say the team this body there you give room to the supporters who make me criticizing and you man enkoyi on the field yenye honest nya fe ne yede nsem no be wada kotoko ball no mo ba o hwe team ni shape aya na nye na make ka sem chiro bi say Hearts of Oak because of the transfer ban I him say e baye as we speak the Bibian say e kire say coach Didi Dramani need the technical team they don't have any opportunity to sign new players
e
was some manage some players here on way till the end of the season until say some ban be free on there some players here no dey but so we share Hearts of Oak omo ball na you could clearly see a certain part in a certain way and I say adia coach ni person way even in the games has we say and you koye ni kran they still try to make us say punish the opponent has ni media ma nyina hwe game and media ma control but Hearts of Oak they still had some chances again bia omo taking ya go musu nya go in the game yes and almost also defend very well so we media Sporting Club free on ma ono a 25 goals in the season kotoko na second wa 24 ba wo hwe kotoko defensive shape na nyame anim ni kwani so we kotoko games be bre omabo no aya na opponent ni bi na minim say strikers no omo nye bold enough na say bia omo intelligence level no e na ni soro so we club or strikers omo ye intelligent enough they would always punish kotoko defense no
okay kotoko
defense ni tem bia omo kosi opponent o tumi say kwan dem pa as compared to Hearts of Oak there no
has
defense solid
okay
omo ye resolute and the
time
bia
than the so called kotoko there
yes
am for a ball my boss say samba
so anytime bia person the ball to house later obey adwuma obey prepare ansa na ball na to house later and the time bia me ball coach Nuruddin Ahmed and the Kara United me ball wa so e kwa mo fa so the 2 goals e to house net no omo ye adwuma pa because enye easy to score 2 goals against Hearts of Oak defense no ma hwe omo e na me dey kasa ase wu ma hwe has team no pa they are not scoring more goals but to score against them no so a difficult task club bi on Hearts of Oak ehie bia so obi sa na obeka kire said to score against Hearts of Oak no a difficult
took penalty for Kotoko
yes but ye Kotoko ide ne de Kotoko de no akoye say teams ne mre chise obi a ne strikers no sheda nye make us omo serious and good enough if you really want to score against Kotoko you will score against Chelsea you have a couple of chances in case be a Chelsea for the they could have scored at least a goal or 2 inti Kotoko team no coach Karim Zito and then the technical team almost finding the antidote at a point now commander koye injuries say Nyankopon Chade majority of players now no more injury list no omo nyina ba out with the exception of Shaibu long term injury we on free on kote ya ba be friendly match ye nyina ehu no e che say he's back as e bia nyame ya adoma ono so betumi nya some game time
na omo a yesi omo nye disciplines ya pam
omo so ko and say no se Kotoko nkomo na nyama nko ya ye ka dia kwhye den ye beka say problem ni ye den e the materials players na attitude ni na asesa because Kotoko ball games bia they were doing so well before Hearts of Oak game no na Kotoko matches in the they were delight to watch.
Africa no bad.
Yes, they were good. But all of a sudden, yenim diaba besie a Kotoko struggle to even beat teams the bottom of the league table. So, and he said, oh, Pele Gaji, look at the way Dreams FC handle Heart of Lions. What am I saying? Handle very well, very easy. But Sakotoko Kosia teams now, they find it difficult to score.
Was a 1. Was a 2.
So, and he said, oh, say, I share a vision for a call, Doma, Akonya point. Shamediama. How we handle our opponent. And he said, who to me, a ball league in say, what send the message be at the most supported? Say, indeed, you want to win the league. It mean maybe I'm a TCCA, who be Samia. Nothing has changed. I still see Medium Sporting Club. Maybe a team crowd in my bomb about that. Say, like, no magic. Ghana Lake and the same year, Geno. Who hear anything, and you say, I'm a Jelly. Sir, 5 points now. Oh, dear Pimon. This is how we win the Ghana League. Before for being one. Say, okay, me fans all between on a piano. Is it? I think it 37, 33, 32. Okay, it is 5. And he, sir, 5 points. No, just a matter of 2 games.
2 games.
We make us so easy, but all the teams you know have more consistent results. And you expect to say, "Yeah, medium man over 40." And I say, "Be on no be Lusuma." Ediana na asa Kotoko na ha sabe fa no. Kotoko sa teams na edi na chi no so kwa draw na omko lusu. Enti e ma time bia no sa gap no mo se da ho. Sa so bete kra na be kakra bi. Enti league ne de point na me de amafo de biem no. They are in a pole position to win the league. Enya de say mimi hu ni say club bi e betumi e free chire abesa mo ho abaje league no.
Don't you think?
Because
don't you think time will?
Oh, say yes, I can. So, who shall league ya every year? Yen, you say, you see, I will share the number of times Hearts, Kotoko, Abedato. What the M5 Diana go stars or Madame Diamachi in Sinche. Omodian, at a point, there be Diamond and India, Heart of Lions, Maobi, go stars Benamo Kaka, and I be Diamati Cuba. But say, Obi, a yearly projection, no say, Kotoko has, bet we are the league we are. From the beginning of the season, counted the number of times Kotoko has a better top. Any days are now say beer. Emerald boy D and son of Mufrion. And no crab was a leg no me to me. No to me. Kotoko better one pay. It taking just some few hours. And no free order. Has better be a descent or the free order. And when you know a child say, Sa 2 teams here, Meme dear, the room out.
What will
Kotoko has out. Somebody to me at this year leg.
Wow.
Kotoko has a folk. They are out. Even baby I'm a team. I guess I'm pick one among the two. Make you to so heartful.
Wow.
Yes. Based on attitude and approach our way matches in America's asking.
So as we speak, has your favorite to win the Ghana Premier League after match day 18 than Asante Kotoko? They are not favorites among Mediama and Diana Gold Stars, but of the two between Mediama has in a Kotoko. What can say me bakwa make you so hard to focus based on how they approach away games. Okay.
Because like you know, say over to me at your home games in the country, then so away matches, let's check when has first of all. Chevenus be a Kotoko what struggle to even score. Has a copy maximum points. And also, I attend the American say, we share Kotoko away matches, and I say, they don't give respect to their away side, and that's away teams. Kotoko technical team, and your own problem, and they should try and solve it.
In what sense?
Away matches they don't give respect to away teams, and also,
and that's still a question.
And you know, me can't be so the respect my opponent, you just don't go and open up your more.
Yes.
So what should you do, Gramania? Or check the threat from the opponent.
How strategy.
Or who is opponent? Okay, Ebia. Me to me and not toe to toe more. And 2 years, me call low blocking. Me tightening me team no. Me give you out spaces. Now many of them have chance and machine.
Yeah.
But most matches are Kotoko born away in our car. They just open up.
Maxwell points.
Na defense when a kind dem sa no opponent with.
So what Accra folk is doing in away games at Kotokonya no uchechi mu a yene team for tiasia has another Kotoko don't appreciate the quality of the opponent
exactly
to use it as a strategy. Some no never kontokwa.
Yes.
No so right hand no emu edukwa. Inti me na me no be kon na say me use strategy to weaken or right hand.
Exactly.
But Kotoko no kwa o be dem fa ho.
Yembo.
So your quality was here. So was
Ah.
strength to a house or strength to home and fa ho. Na yo we understand.
And then one problem affected Kotoko season no, especially in away matches. Because Kotoko All Blacks, they had only one threat. All Blacks. Almost threat to pie Rudolph. Nana Mensa.
Yeah.
And to say who the coach of Kotoko. Then I was away. He is the major threat. Find a way to take him out of the game.
Yeah. Temu no kra.
Temu no but Sadio no share ya.
Ono anesato.
Oh who game no so sa kopimi ye wie yo.
Ono anesato.
And a level we you no free on my level so one player no so ye dangerous. Some players ni na omo mi no nya 2 goals no ma All Blacks. E chere say in that game the technical team did not work on All Blacks game no. And also with team no.
Yeah.
Omo work on the team. Yehwe matches bi akotoko akolusu. Kotoko against Basicoli Stars. As if say Holy Stars for no I say omo nyo obi ayen kono yen komo. Daddy, you don't do that.
Disrespect.
You don't do that. And who say Ojilega as a disciplined sider. This is not how you win the league.
We punish also.
And the idea drama ni here. Maybe when say has challenges by goal scoring. Say has will be 2 players are. Ombe to me ama hat folk 8-10 goals are. And Kasami a different story. It's a fact.
But say omo ni bisa.
Omo ni bi
omo da FIFA.
Anything I make say. Omo league ni je there. So we go say Gold Stars ho. Ebia na ho media ma ho akwaje league na edu. Nemo eye easy say house wo dey opa ye hwa there. Hat folk bet to me I ahead of Kotoko in the league. In terms of position on the league. Because strategically they know how to accumulate points. Ewa we. Any home. Home no, omo no ombobo abo so mo nyom wangu no mko. Away no, omo kwa gidigidi. So wan sha no we nya no draw. No happen. Has in time nsu away matches.
Draw near more.
Ba Kotoko. Ako away matches. Chese. How many times? So count to be away matches be 5 omo lose 3. Away matches do no maboni na. Kotoko lose 3.
Well, Lusu are not
draw.
Well, Lusu are not.
It's
at least Bakumi and Nubi Crank wasn't winning no so.
And also way some matches here. There were games I know be able to okay. Say Kotoko supporters. You need baby na nam. Platform you need baby na was. On to make us a game with you. Yeah, projection now. Away matches be a 4. Kotoko bet me a na Kotoko akotiato.
No akolusu.
Enti so who the ABA Holy Stars the example vision what the game say All Blacks the become what the whole game become say Kotoko all these away matches now if they were unable to win now nothing will convince me say Kotoko beje league no be bien we bet me convince me
only 7 now can be based on DSC
because yo o bole
na ye ko ye nimu no nsesan betima ba
be ya de bi a kire na what the Americans your away match your ball league matches a home and away Kotoko any opportunity based on signings on where you no be any say players and do na players are no more ball league no more experience in the league and no more enti almost struggle to find their feet and say be when
they had the best squad
when you Holy Stars when you all United when you Vision when you All Blacks na say what by way as out games where teams need be their picking up points at the common don't forget how to folk grana or no only top for no kwese ho e bia na kwese ho me dia makobo draw ho ba Kotoko lusu ho young apostle crack ball draw ho United
Kotoko kudi agu Kotoko
it is a wo catch them say Sa 4 matches ya makenya kotoko aboy a wantumi anhyem bia no. Holy Stars, All Blacks, Hohoi, Vision. These are relatively make us a manageable games. Team bi o pese o league bia betumi manage ni way through. Na se kotoko antumi anhyem bia de a. O ka kire me say bibi convince me so major league na. Difficult. Second round kotoko go home, Heartful. Kotoko ne aso bi atumi hye ba bia. Enye game a chese we go home obehye. Kotoko ko share wa Accra. Has betumi abakuma se abehye kotoko. It is possible.
Kotoko nzo betumi.
That's the super clash. Yes, kotoko nzo betumi ahye. It is arguably ni dey can think am. Kotoko ko Doma. Yes, of course. Last season no win all. But Doma has always been a difficult ground for Kotoko. Mediama what they are doing no. Omo ne Kotoko home game no. A very difficult for Kotoko. Go Stars. Kotoko share champion of champions there. But this time it is going to be difficult for Kotoko to win at the beginning. When you na me conclude say Kotoko season a very difficult to win the league. A very difficult to win the league. A sanity. And the way Kotoko supporter, the American can't come to be a criminal. Yes, keep on supporting your club. Na hope you said never be nemo emfa owure nyina nhyem fa pressure nkoto technical team na players no se chinchina mo nkoje league no e difficult me ma wati asese enkoye ne say e birth right e was said this year the chinchina kotokoje league
obuti bi ache
oh yes
3 years today big club like Asante Kotoko
said 3 years Friday he say e 4 seasons right
until 4th season they all say
until was omoji na me mo mati asese per club no display on the field no any of attitude e wa away matches so man sesa na de ye hu first round sa na ebe ko de a we ye Kotoko supporter me din kan atufu na ma ko hyen say emfa owure nhyem gidigidi se Kotoko obeje league this season enye easy ko team no nkire bibia asa league no betumi age de mpesa woti ase no Kotoko team no both the playing body the technical team nkire say omo plan bi a chese sa plan we ne ye de kwa kwaje league no omo na bibi said
plan bi any
there is no plan a chese Kotoko coach Zito di o can say or an ambition so person o je league no ba wo hwe ni team no ball na omo ball na enya ball like chese team we wa prepare who ye say onya league obeje until say bibi sisa media no
sisa ben na
and sisa no should I'm expecting a change in the attitude, player mentality, approach to games,
or change of coach.
Media and no problem can was. Change of coach need to mean solve problem. No. Coach now bet me at no higher analysis about the game or all. No changing in Yama.
So Zito can save the situation.
Exactly, he can do that. And then Zito Yana. Coach Prosper Nateo Gume struggle obe say situation ma Kotoko
or the MTN Africa ba league no went man
enti ono a betumi atenase na wasan so are strategize ehun so okay enema say na eko ye ball say players ni bebre na ball na kwayo too ordinary eno ahwe game mo ne Chelsea boy creativity na ye problem ma Kotoko
and like technique
long passes no so mo ba omo locate omo colleagues e kire say something is missing. Where the Adjuma and the work of the technical team to find out. Players need be body language. Anyhow, when we see the pitch and so air ball, a chess and BB, something is wrong. And
which the antidote lies with the technical team.
They can do that. The technical team can bring the team back to winning ways. Because team of person or Jelly, now come over 3 matches. Sa winning streak no na me hu ne say okay say dey ebe ya dey unge we say Kotoko before I think before Bechem almost Bechem e ko share wonders but before Bechem game number 1 game this one any FA Cup and I think that was FA Cup FA Cup it only had 3 games future stars and almost share Bechem e ko share wonders
in 3 games or share almost 10 goals
yes and tina say nka omonya winning ways no masi so omoko because not this season ye hu Kotoko we win 2-3 games in a row ye hu bi
in all competitions
into to me asa na de na nka the hope bi ba and I was got 2 games without a win.
Inconsistency.
In the address, a Jumano, a real pay. And the coach, on making sure say consistency. Yes, I did. Like the general say 10 piano or person watching any dream and ambition to person watching. I share by Amusa, a ball league navy. Now, the dear my phone the call. Comedian my phone say project Omuyo. They want to play the Champions League at Tapa, if possible. Say CAF 4 and 2 man.
Oh, stadium also.
Yes. So a project on why say on per se on my bow stadium on the Africa Batapa.
Yeah, on the Africa Batapa.
And the baby on my put down top one of my Codaminia. Men Canada, Tapa for the Niabre.
Media Mao,
Omaniabre pa.
Omosa or zeal, no. Almost our capacity, no, to maintain the top spot.
And it is not as if say they don't have a team. Yeah, can say will be favor more. So what can be the match say o can na initially be can say omo ball omo lusu kura omo game na sesa. Say omo ball sa we say dey na bia dey na nko ya mo. But omo you organize.
Media currently
omo you organize. Me ma show match.
Tanku.
Coach Ibrahim Tanku.
Okay.
Why adwuma? Why adwuma team na me ka say o hwe obi ti say Prince Owusu. Kevin Nkrumah. Emmanuel Owusu o no. Fuzi Taylor. Now we Miami guy. Abdul Salam. Abdul Salam over 5 goal kakra. For we fino. Abdul Salam.
Over 5 goal.
Over 5 goal kakra be 5 goal be free league.
Salam and the Wabo league na che.
Me kaino Abdul Salam be 5 goal. Omo fani free division 1 side.
Okay.
Abdul Salam. And you should have players we nyina.
He will feature prominently.
And he is always a threat up front. On say players no am bom din na no wan na na nim Prince Owusu Kevin Nkrumah wan na nim no just a young chap Emmanuel Owusu wan na nim no Fuzi Taylor Accra Lions ene bia obeka say udi nim but yenya players o compare sa we mu tukotoko jawu mu lodam amu abon league ni 2-3 seasons omu ye known in the league
they are not gelling properly
enti e chese coach bi nso ye adwuma bi o ba bi I don't know. Ubeka coaching so you yin feel.
Oh, body and one coaching. So at the end of the day, coaching and select 11 players.
Yes. Coaches need to mean materials, but how to make them a unit. I'm not born a man. I FN. Then the results are bad. I don't see a problem. And for like green win in the year, I still stand by my West.
Based on
the display on the field.
Yeah.
Kotoko. That's what we're dealing with now. Edumano. Men fan say I was somebody by 50% count.
Sure.
I was somebody by 50% count. Yes, I did. E be say and o man na match bi no makose. No ma bodo e be say ane season
every and no dey untimi
fanji.
Untimi fanji league nti. So person of league na e de manimu ya massive dramatic change of attitude ni bia amra.
On say
and here say be psychic coach and sana dey okay abemu
the technical team I dey back cross on sheni so players be on ma say player be on ma I na football confidence can obenya no confidence na oba e was say o man no consistent game time example Johnson hwe go bi obehye ti abechi defender crabo no wato no wato de no waje ball no na se e chere say the confidence never coach you should make sure say boy no be man consistency be man more time to build up in the confidence because criticism say ba earlier in the season they go ablante na be na nyame adom wa pick up abenya be here within some few games abenya 2 goals bi na say is it 2 or 3 2-1 enti sa player no e was so man more time to play. And now didn't baby. When to me our family come poku at a point, you know I went to say na a year a brew say I refuse. Who you come to the so. It made feel say coach in this way more so. The honor our sport as a manager and as a coach in the place on try to work around it. We'll make sure so we are the best in the place. And yes, at the end of the day, his job will be on the line. The players will be there.
Yeah, the players will be there.
yes idea obi
I'm for see players ni serious omo attitude
almost seriousness ni omo attitude ni say my Canada I can't be because social tackles ni bi on me go bi a chance bi a utumi say players no etuma no so can be
they are not going for 100%.
yes minim dey how mo dey say bi a me pese me kan sa say bi a mo pese coach ni kode a we to da sala kadesika attitude no mo di gina forward no so no as attack bi o say me ko bo bi won ma sometimes we be say omo ye young players are afena ball no kra omo bo ade bi won ma you are expecting you are not expecting say be a senior player a obo kotoko betumi aye sa ade but ube hu say
na ujine no
omaye enti minim say bia eye bibi na won ye say coach no be unpopular na dwuma no ya je finish I don't know mitumi nkire minim de ekoso de
no kra de you really need out because oh person coach you unpopular na wo carry awadwen ho wo de nam kotoko
and yenye players in the omo fam say esi time bia
okay
players ni tumi ye kokwa asasa na yakase coach ni kra dwuma no o ntumi nye ye coach ni firo no coach foforo ba ya omo se gidigidi na fei players na under the previous coach na omo ntumi mo no omo se omo start na omo bo
but yeah establish any form of problem between
with this kotoko situation na make us me new DS but based on attitude as na akofa we aba say omo attitude on the field and chile players are as omo motivated to win the league and chile
quality no
they have the quality because
so we have players no we are average players
obaka say
for example Nkrumah mo
and American
Adam Small a friend saying media guys no I don't think Usumo
and you dey fan
say two things say Kotoko din na Kotoko di echi no cause say boys we are these guys really better than omo Basaki Holy Stars near there
Use Adams Kotoko Rangers Use Adams
omo ma consistent performance
Peter Amiduakwa Yansha Saka Dauda
omo consistent performance
what ya na me come material no say it is a hwe sa omo qualities here omo we dia as compared to some players ya mbom di and na me
some players no
you
cannot say some players are better than Kotoko for there
yes but they are not better than
you can also not say these Kotoko players are better than guys no more media man because the omo ye there
per numbers untumi fa Kevin Nkrumah and compare Peter Amiduakwa per omo numbers Peter Amiduakwa is ahead of Kevin Nkrumah omo na Rangers
but you are just okay
what you say
Peter na dey be argument now you Peter Friwa
we Peter Friwa ma Saka Dauda
ono the numbers way
you use Adams
the numbers
say no obo kama why assist be ono kama
strikers no numbers way
ena Morfin Dozo
Kwame Poku numbers way so much din e wo Ghana nyina
yes league no mo pa but they are not contribution no effort short
and now say some problem na see player no obobo baby na afidi oba Kotoko anu wa relax no enye enu bi na ekoso players ni bi ba no ma relax you
enu so ye possible also obi or mo ko do level bi office ana ma be dumi dey I be comfort
so 7,000 8,000
me high dive
on high dine
so what you salary na we bi akutia rent and the rent na boarding papa me kan na that and the rent was so pa so what you aketua na was say tibi kotua rent a wana mo bi a wutu no betu ni bi bi a wo ye no be ye ni
o be dwen ho kwa
enti no sana me din kaka players they have a role to play the technical team management no so be bi a wo feel say ye to say so mo ye bi fa o the striker bi ba coach kan all the postman say so mo ye quick in beefing up the attack
12
he says I got 3 days not transfer the cruise a man go cruise on the 15th you have 3 days na second window you cruise no enti Kotoko emma ye hu bi omo ye so far only Abrante friend Prince Bedu no mafa enti say ono to ba the kra no he is also starting from the bench meaning say be a coach me try so be introduce no gradually player obe make impact second round yen fa player mama
Asante Kotoko to be ansem ne ked you player who tells the open no second right emergency work of father back
yes
still na who say try
bench e chese ne ko ama krank
enti sa wo have priorities meanwhile Kotoko na de Kotoko here pan a striker Then I got to go here a striker.
Okay.
More confirm midfielder. What's the name at the bench?
You see.
I don't know. I'm trying to be a Karimzi too. Yeah, defender on. I know you want to yeah, damn my.
Anti coach in the canon.
Maybe more GDS.
Enra. Na me share team the shape. Unya sa still images living our share. You could clearly see say na man. The shape of the team never can them to opponent to the bottom. Broken chance for to be boss square passes out to go in them. Because space is near more. Space is near more. The coach in Lancashire Tatus and Ocean Ye, Ocean Tatus in Ye.
Boys, that's
But there is a lot of spaces in the Kotoko team. Opponent be a tactical way good be a best point is idea. And the Apanachiko. And the Omogen Yenas idea, Okosia team beer, Media Mamos and Omsi Bomboy. Also, Media Bar, Yamin Kwao. 2 goals. That was game convincing mommy who said
Spirit.
how much may be in the league.
Yeah.
But after that game,
You who be save you.
and you must say that it's not about scoring when you tell me, but sad game who share the fighting spirit.
Fighting spirit.
2 goals, no
Mentality.
Boy, out till the end of the game, we didn't have 2 goals.
Mentality, attitude.
Yes,
Which means that now Kotoko and Yabrepa.
they were on top, but then they
You who save
you who is
You who save
it is a idea. So what dear Gianni be soon uncle fast idea about there, any question. Said you know Munyaji. Place and answer na make what dear Gianni be and I must be Omrika Tuni or more. I say Catano Mabrero because we share the kind of investment. So Nana, Yeska, a Timura. No, they are 2 years, Quagenia, they are Koto, Yahweh, let him ray. Say this is almost our call without the league title. I mean,
and was here for the
the supporters will not be happy.
So
I am Sino.
I don't ever see I'm seeing
Our 3rd season, you. This is their 3rd season. I just say a boy. Now, want to me and they have only the FA Cup to show.
And also the
FA Cup on the supporters. They won the Champions League. Almost some Champions League. You have to win the league to get the ticket to play in the Champions League. Say, Coban say, everybody say, 3 seasons. Went to me and then I just say, it man also be
Ankoye. Based on problems we identify with Kotoko and the solution or the other. You would GDA say, me penifo beti na ye the empire body say Kotoko Beji League.
Okay.
Sa Kotoko League na based on the okay crowd no sa etwanam to so. Let's just say the problems are identified, they've worked on that to say they are working and coach, has every ability to turn around your man. And you say, I feel the coach, Kotoko that 4th, first round, I feel but based on the SCD, you have 2 analysis, and as I say, a media man stand
for now.
Yeah, for now.
We may pick. I don't the first one that we choose media money because of Kotoko has for no matiti. Say be a medium for no con. They are widening the gap gradually. Over they call. And Ghana leg the same year,
say
when you 5 6 points and now people say you are good to go.
You are good to go.
And medium idea. They are cast on and say they should make sure say they will not lose gap. Nasa 5 points gap no money. Because abonisa, will be a bon pay. O send a say, near Bolly.
Okay, that's it. Kotoko next game, I think Go Stars. Everybody near home pretty much. And check right. That's it.